Hey everyone, Eric here from Drive Protected. In today's episode, we got this 2023 Tesla Model X long range in our shop, and it is in the ultra red paint color. In this video, we are going to be doing a full vehicle paint protection film wrap using our Defense Plus do-it-yourself paint protection film. If you have a Tesla Model X or any other Tesla for that matter that you would like to protect in our Defense Plus do-it-yourself paint protection film, head over to our website. The link will be in the description below, and you can use code MODELX to save 5% on your do-it-yourself paint protection film kit. So let's get back to the video. Last bit right here to do. Now we can start pulling all of our solution forward. Same thing as what I said before. We're just going to leave this for last. Now we can work on getting everything down over here. Now we're going to come over from here. We're going to come back over here, get slip solution behind the film. You want to make sure the film is not sticking where it's not supposed to be. That's good. That's good. Now we can do these fingers up here. So we're just spraying our tack solution behind the film. Same thing we did on the driver's side is we're just going to take that one bigger finger and we're going to create multiple smaller ones. Smaller fingers that are far more manageable to deal with. And we're just going to squeegee this down just like so. That's good. Now we got this big air pocket here. I'm just going to massage this out just with my hand, get that to lay flat. And you can slowly start to squeegee the PPF down right up till where you tacked. This area over here, what we need to do, and then you're gonna take and push the film into place right on that corner. Just like so. That's what you want. From there, you're gonna come right up over here, spray your tack solution on that top corner, and then you're just going to stretch it into place up there, squeegee that down. Get down over here. And we're going to squeegee that down as well. That's good. Now we can come down to the bottom over here. So I have one speck of contamination that got behind the film there. So all I'm doing right now is just aligning the door. So that's good, that's down. Now, I'm just gonna move over a little bit. I'm probably gonna get in your way. You wanna make sure that the alignment on the front edge is good. So you can hear how the film is starting to stick there a little bit. So all I'm going to do is pull the film back and I'll get more slip solution behind the film. There we go, that's good. Now, just need a little bit more on the top of the film. Actually, there we go. Now what we can do is we can start massaging the air out forward a little bit. And we're going to start squeegeeing that down. So I'm keeping my hand in place. There we go. Now we have this area right over here, this wrapped edge. So I'm just going to pull the film back, getting my tack solution behind it, and I'm just going to pull it down so it's laying flat. Come right down the middle. I'm going to come right down to this charge port corner here, and we're going to work everything that way. So actually, I got to get some slip solution behind the film over here. We're almost running out of solution. Now, all I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take that solution I just sprayed in there, work it around the film, make sure nothing's sticking where it shouldn't be, and we can start squeegeeing the film down. So when you got little fingers like that, all you got to do is come along with your tack solution, get some behind the film, there we go. Now we can start working everything down. Now this body line right here, don't try and squeegee over it too much, squeegee with it. Sitting at the right height at the very top, which is going to be hard for the camera to see, but that is good right there. So you're going to want to start right here around the hatch. That's good. And then what you're going to want to do is pull the film back, get your tack solution behind the film right over here, and you're going to want to squeegee this area down. That's good. You could come down over here, squeegee that down. Now we're going to work our way out to the passenger side. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to figure out your air management here because of this curve. But what we're going to have to do is pull a film back, get our tack solution behind the film, and we're going to get the pattern aligned right over here with this top corner. That looks there, so I can do better. Yeah. Okay, that's good stretch. We'll get more tack solution behind the film. There we go. That's all I want. And then we're going to do the same thing here on the bottom. Yeah. There you go. Now we have to stretch the film a little bit to get it to line up a little bit nicer there. I'm just going to put a little bit of tack solution underneath that edge. Give it a slight stretch. Then I'm going to come from the top all the way down to the bottom. There we go. That's good. Same thing on the passenger side. Hey everyone, Eric here from Drive Protected. Are you new to the paint protection film industry? Are you looking to become more knowledgeable paint protection film installer? Consider subscribing to our membership page on YouTube today and learn more from me on how to become the best paint protection film installer that you can be.